Most African business owners choose the wrong payment gateway for one simple reason. They focus only on transaction fees and completely ignore payout speed, country support, and customer payment behavior. Here's the truth no one tells you. A payment gateway can either help your business grow faster or quietly destroy conversions without you noticing. In this video, I'll break down the best payment gateways for African businesses in 2026, especially Flutterwave and Paystack, so you can choose the right platform for your business model. And later, I'll show you the one feature most e-commerce owners overlook until it becomes a serious problem. Let's get straight into it. First, understand this clearly. There is no single best gateway for every African business. The right option depends on your country, customers, and how you accept payments. For example, John runs an online fashion store in Nigeria. His customers mainly pay with local bank transfers and cards. Meanwhile, Alex sells digital services internationally and needs global card support and USD payouts. Completely different needs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Flutterwave is often considered one of the strongest all-around platforms for African businesses, operating across multiple countries. It supports cards, bank transfers, mobile money, and international payments in many African markets. That flexibility is a huge advantage. This is especially useful for businesses scaling across borders. For example, if Jake sells online courses in Kenya, Ghana, and South Africa, Flutterwave's broader regional support can make operations easier. But here's the problem. Some business owners find Flutterwave slightly more complex during setup and verification compared to smaller, local gateways. This is where most people fail. They pick a platform without considering onboarding requirements or compliance reviews. Now let's talk about Paystack. Paystack became extremely popular because of its smooth user experience, simple integrations, and strong support for Nigerian businesses. Many small business owners love how easy it is to connect Paystack to websites, e-commerce stores, and subscription services. In a minute, I'll explain which platform is usually better for startups with limited technical skills. But first, there's something important. Paystack works exceptionally well for businesses focused mainly on Nigeria and a few supported markets. Its dashboard is clean, payouts are straightforward, and checkout flows often feel simpler for beginners. For example, Sarah runs a small skincare brand and got her first online payments working in a single afternoon using Paystack. That simplicity matters. Now here's where it gets really important. If your business depends heavily on international customers, multi-currency payments, or mobile money support across Africa, Flutterwave often provides more flexibility. But if you want simplicity, cleaner onboarding, and a beginner-friendly experience for a local Nigerian business, Paystack is still incredibly strong. And don't ignore payout reliability. Fast payouts and stable processing matter more than saving a tiny percentage on fees. This is the mistake many new entrepreneurs make. They obsess over pricing while losing customers during checkout. So, here's the simple breakdown. Flutterwave is usually better for larger regional expansion, multi-country operations, and broader payment support. Paystack is often better for simplicity, Nigerian businesses, and easy integrations. The smartest move is choosing the platform that matches your actual business goals instead of blindly following trends. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which gateway you currently use for your business. And if you want more videos on online payments, e-commerce, and global business tools, check out the next video on your screen.